Hi Doonistas, it's me, the Pecan Tan Beauty, and welcome to my channel, or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video is just going to be a very quick video of an unboxing or an unbagging of a unicorn bag that I had been looking for forever. So I do own a couple of other colors in this particular collection, but I do not own this color, and as a matter of fact, this color was number one on my list initially. So I did find this pre-loved. The owner said that she had only carried it one time, and there were some leather inconsistencies, which was totally okay with me, especially with it being on the back of the bag. So let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, it is packaged very nicely and very well protected. So let's just see what I have. So again, the story behind this purchase was I made an offer on it and the seller accepted it, and I did not know at the time that the seller was going to be out of the country for 2 weeks. So I actually ordered this bag about 3 weeks ago, and she shipped it on the 30th of April, and I am just getting it. So I am pretty excited, especially having to wait so long for it. So, and wow, she has it packaged really, really good. So again, this is one of the unicorn bags. I started off with my first one as a sample that I received from the sample sale a few years ago. And like I said, I had been wanting this particular color, but I settled for a couple of other colors because this one is somewhat hard to come by. So if I can get in here, okay, so here we are, and again, she has it packed really, really nice. Okay, so here we are. And she put a note on here that says, "Thank you for your purchase. I know you will love this amazing bag. Enjoy it." So here's a nice little note that she put on here. So let's just see, guys. Like I said, I am very excited. Oh my gosh, okay. She has it packed really, really nice again. It is the Dooney Bourke Florentine leather Tilton in the color black. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh wow. So far, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Absolutely beautiful. And let me show you the pebbling that she mentioned on the back. And you guys, this is not half as bad as it looked online. As you can see here, there is some pebbling, but it's really not that bad. It's just this little patch right here. But again, not bad at all. Wow, okay. You guys have seen these bags before. It has this nice webbed shoulder strap that's extremely comfortable. So here she is, you guys. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this. It has this beautiful red zipper pull, which is one of the reasons why I had been on the hunt for this Tilton. And I use these as travel bags. I don't use them as everyday bags because for me they're a little bit too large. Let's just check out the inside. See what she looks like so far. so good. All right, and she did mention a very small ink spot in the bottom, and you can probably see it there, but it is not bad at all. And again, I use these bags for travel. Very nice and clean. It smells like beautiful Florentine leather. The zipper, nice and smooth. A little bit of tarnishing on the zipper pull here, but not anything to complain about. And I can tell that this bag has been used more than once. You know, we aren't going to go there, but it's still in absolute beautiful condition. Absolutely love it. I am extremely happy to be able to find this beautiful bag. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me. I just wanted to share with you my unicorn bag, which is my Dooney Bourke Florentine leather Tilton in the color black. Absolutely loved it. So as I always say, once you go Dooney, you go loony. So you need to go out and get yourself a Dooney Bourke Florentine leather Tilton in the color black, because as long as I waited for this bag, you definitely can't have mine. Bye, guys.